Okay, so what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and open this pack. So let's read the contents. Well, it's got a 25-watt PD adapter, USB C type. As you can see, it's a C type adapter. And yeah, that's the details of the charger. It's priced at around 1699, which is not bad. And let's see what's inside it. So out comes this little packaging with the neat little charger inside it. So you're going to pull this out. As you can see, it looks pretty nice. It's a little heavier than the S9 Plus charger that I had. It states that it's a super fast charger, and I hope it actually charges that fast. It's a 25-watt charger, because OnePlus and some of the other newer Chinese branded phones charge really fast, much faster than what Samsung usually promises. But nevertheless, this is going to be something we'll try, and I'll let you know how it goes with the S22 Ultra. So the S22 Ultra actually comes with an inbox charger. I've put a basic case for this that was given to me by the seller, the store. So I think this should probably come with the charger. There you go. You've got a pin. Got some instructions on this. Regional lock guide. So here's exactly what they say. There is a regional lock on this phone, so you need to be careful about it.